Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make Chipotle chicken salad. And this is not your average chicken salad. I combined some shredded chicken with some bell peppers and onions in a creamy, delicious Chipotle sauce. And this is going to be the most flavorful chicken salad that you'll ever make. Okay, so let's get started. First things first, you're going to need about 3 cups of shredded chicken. You could use the rotisserie chicken from the grocery store. Go ahead and shred that up. Or if you're like me, I just pop some chicken breasts in the oven, 350 degrees, season it with some salt, pepper, and olive oil, and cook it until it's completely cooked through. It will take about 25 to 30 minutes. And once it's cooled, go ahead and shred it up. And to that, we are going to be needing 1 red bell pepper. And I'm going to cut it up into small diced. And red is my favorite color bell pepper to work with. I just love the color, and it has the most flavor. It's sweeter than all the other colors. So you just want to dice it up into small pieces here. And this is a great meal prep for lunch. What I like to do is keep a container of it in the fridge, and then when it's time for lunch, my husband can toast his own bread and build his own sandwich, which makes it easier for me because I'm in charge of breakfast, lunch, and dinner in my house. So basically, after I prep this, that's 1 less meal I have to worry about. All right, our bell peppers are all nice and chopped up. So I'm gonna go ahead and add them to the shredded chicken. All right, so I also have some cilantro here. I'm going to need about 1/3 cup. This is going to add some fresh flavor to our chicken. Just go ahead and give it a rough chop. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add this to the bowl as well. And then I'm also going to add in some diced red onions. All right, so now it's time to get working on our delicious Chipotle sauce. Okay, so for the Chipotle sauce, you wanna get these canned Chipotle peppers. I normally always do Target drive up, so much easier. I just order it and they deliver it to my car. But it does come with quite a few peppers in it, and I don't like wasting it. So normally what I do is I freeze them. So freeze the rest. So I already have some frozen ones that I defrosted, and they do have a kick to it. So I would say use anywhere from 1 to 3. If you want it more milder, use 1. 2 I would say is medium, and 3 is spicy. So we do about 3 Chipotle peppers, and then you're also going to want to add 2 tablespoons of the adobo sauce that's included in the can. That's going to give your sauce lots of flavor. And then to that, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of mayo. It's gonna make it nice and creamy. And then I'm also going to add 1.5 tablespoons of honey. It's just going to give it a slight hint of sweetness. And then I'm going to add 1 garlic clove. And then last but not least, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and this is gonna give it some extra smoky flavor. All right, and then let's go ahead and pop this on, and then we blend until it's smooth. All right, let's go ahead and give this a taste. I just love this sauce. So good. You could use this as a dipping sauce for anything. Chicken fingers, fries, hamburgers. It's so delicious. All right, so back to our salad. I'm gonna season it with some salt and pepper first. Give it a little seasoning. And the colors in this is just gorgeous. We have the green from the cilantro, the red from the peppers, and the purple onions. Oh my gosh, when I cut the purple onions, good thing I did that off camera because I was crying like a baby. It was really bad. It's just really weird. Sometimes I have no tears and sometimes I have a lot. Okay, so we are gonna add the Chipotle sauce into the chicken salad. And you could serve this right away. But it's really delicious waiting for about an hour because that flavor really seeps into the chicken, and it's really delicious also the next day. So that's why it's really good for meal prep. And there goes my toaster oven / air fryer. It's like the same thing. I don't know the difference, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my bread, and I'm gonna show you guys how I like to have my Chipotle chicken salad. Okay, so the bread of choice that we like to have with this Chipotle chicken salad is sourdough. I love it. I like it lightly toasted. And then also I wanted to mention that my husband also likes to have it over his salad. I usually keep like a spring mix of salad. We're at the end stage here. And I just keep it in the fridge. My husband will build his salad. He'll put some lettuce, a couple scoops of this Chipotle chicken salad, and maybe a little ranch dressing. That's also really delicious if you want to do low carb. But right now we are gonna be doing it with some sourdough bread. This is looking so good. I'm gonna go ahead and scoop a nice healthy serving onto the bread here. I mean, you could also add lettuce, tomato, all that jazz that you like on your sandwich, but for me, I like it just plain and simple, bread and chicken salad, that's it. But feel free to dress it up as how you like it. And there you have it, you guys, Chipotle chicken salad. And this is the most flavorful chicken salad you will ever make. All right, you guys, it is a moment of truth. It is time to test our creation. And I cannot wait because it is just looking so good. See you guys? All right, cheers. First off, I have to mention, this is so flavorful. Definitely not your average chicken salad. This is a chicken salad that I'm going to be making over and over again. It's so flavorful. And it's just gonna be just as good, even better the next day. It's so yummy. Thank you for spending time with me in my kitchen. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, click that like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. I'm gonna have this for lunch.